Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, butterflies nails. Keep watching. As a base for each nail, I'm using this Miss Sunday of Indigo, which is this beautiful yellow peachy beigey color. I apply a first layer, dry it in the lamp, and then I do the second one. And after I dry it in the lamp, I will apply some matte or top velour top coat. This is how it looks like. The next step, I will start drawing with a pencil all my basic lines to help me basically to have like a sketch of what I will paint over next. Every mistake is easy to erase with some cleaner. And next I will use an art brush. I'm using the Semilac multi-tool and some black paint gel. Every time I paint few lines and I'm happy with them, I dry them at least 10 seconds in the lamp, so the next, if I will paint something that I don't really like it, I easily can erase just the part that was not okay for me. When I'm done, I dried everything in the lamp for 60 seconds to make sure that everything is well dry, and then with some cleaner I clean everything to make sure that I remove an eventually sticky layer, and to basically prevent that when I will apply top coat, which in my case is going to be most likely matte top coat, I wanted to prevent to have any smudges, because in the way that I actually worked with the top coat is easily that I can get smudges afterwards, so this is for avoid them. And then I will apply the matte top coat, which is the Anti-End Top Velour, and this is how it looks like the new bottle on the new brush. Actually, seems like inside is also better, so it was really beautiful, and that's how it look like matte. Obviously, there is the option that you can leave it like that if you like that kind of style, which actually I really liked, but I preferred to go with the matte for that set. And obviously, it's obvious that you can apply shiny top coat. And that's how my butterflies nails look like in the end. Each nails has a different butterfly style, and that was a great exercise because I never paint actually butterflies on nails. And obviously these are pressed on, just attached for basically show how they look like on the hand, so they're not permanent attached. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!